time to talk markets thanks to our partners Forsyth, Barr and the Reserve Bank's next decision on the OCR is of course due Wednesday. Zoe Wallis, investment strategist at Forsyth, Barr with us. Zoe, good morning.
Good morning, Ryan. Great to be here.
Good to see you. So tell me, are you expecting what everyone else is expecting, that pretty much we won't see a change, or what's your pick?
Yeah, so look, we think that it's pretty finely balanced, but in aggregate, they're probably going to leave the OCR on hold at 3.25%. You've got to remember that the Reserve Bank is really an inflation targeting central bank. That is their primary mandate. And what we've seen in the near term has been some more upside risks to inflation emerge over the last couple of months. And I think that'll be enough to give them room to just leave things on hold for now and assess how the economy, assess what's going on internationally, assess how the inflation outlook progresses before probably cutting again in August.
Okay, and how far, once August comes, do we go to 2.75? How far beyond neutral do we get?
Yeah, look, our view at the moment is 2.75 is probably about far enough. You know, we saw 2 decent quarters of growth at the end of last year, beginning of this year. Now what we're looking at is a still relatively sluggish economy through the middle part of this year. But as I mentioned, those inflation risks are also likely to keep them a little bit cautious about how far and how fast they need to go. The thing is, though, as you're getting to the end point of a rate cutting cycle as well, what you are doing is really fine tuning, and it's quite hard to tell in abstract, before the real effects of that play out through the economy, just how far you actually need to go. So caution is probably warranted in this case.
All right, and we've got a rate cut decision from the Aussies. They have been chomping back. We've got another one from them tomorrow.
We do, and we expect that they'll probably cut 25 basis points, and that's very much a clear market consensus now as well. Unlike us, their inflation outlook is looking really well contained, and their economy is slowing down as well. So they've got inflation much closer to their 2% target and looking to remain there in the near term, which is giving them room to cut. That said, the market's pretty convinced that they'll go, although the RBA have been a little bit more circumspect in previous meetings. So we will see how fast they actually get down towards us. It's probably still lagging behind us for quite some time.
Brilliant. Zoe, appreciate your time this morning. As always, Zoe Wallis, investment strategist. Thanks to our partners Forsyth, Barr. It's 1 to 8. You're watching Herald now.